Their chicks are still in their dark juvenile plumage. They vary in age. Whilst the more advanced chicks take to the air, those just starting to learn to fly use the shallow lagoon that occupies the center of the atoll as their training ground. It's difficult for some of them to stay aloft for long. Giant trevallies. The fledglings stay out of the water if they can. They even drink on the wing. So there is a fish here that, amazingly, has a brain capable of calculating the airspeed, altitude, and trajectory of a bird.